Here is the linear equation we are asked to solve. Negative 5 times x minus 7 equals 18. Solving means isolating x on one side with a number on the other. Let's do this step by step. To keep the equation balanced, we make the same change to both sides. The minus 7 keeps 5 times x from standing alone. Add 7 to both sides to remove it. That gives negative 5 times x equals 25. Negative 5 is multiplying x. To leave x alone, divide both sides by negative 5. Quick check. Substitute negative 5 for x. Both sides equal 18, so the equation balances. So, x equals negative 5.